Do you own a landscaping business and specialize in one type of work more than another? For example, say you're a landscape design company and like to pick and choose what kind of landscape maintenance work you do. Or it could be vice versa. Nothing is more frustrating than realizing someday that you have a bunch of accounts that are sucking the life out of your team and profits out of your company. It can also be aggravating when you want more of this kind of work because it's highly profitable, but you can't seem to get it. Did you know that marketing landscaping services correctly can actually fix this problem? Today, I'm going to show you an example of a video that we made for a client that can attract the exact type of client and project that they want. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up? It's Chad with Landscape Leadership. We've helped dozens of lawn care and landscape companies all across the country not only generate leads, but get the right kind of leads so they can maximize profits. One of the biggest mistakes that you can make in marketing a lawn care or landscaping company is doing everything for everybody. If you talk to the most profitable lawn care and landscape companies, you'll find that they have learned this out the hard way and have repositioned their company to attract an ideal customer and an ideal type of work. But how do you do that? One of the marketing assets we make for landscaping companies that we work with is in the form of videos. These videos can take many shapes and forms and can accomplish several things. One of these video marketing strategies is to actually make a video that focuses on positioning, meaning positioning a specific type of company with a specific type of client or project. For today's example, I'm going to show you how we did this for our client Earth Turf and Wood in Pennsylvania. Earth Turf and Wood is a high-end design build firm. They also do want a certain type of landscape maintenance work. So take a couple minutes and watch this video. When it's done, stick around, and when you come back, I'm going to show you how we did two very specific things to make sure their positioning matched their ideal client.
Before using Earth Turf and Wood, we had a property that had a lot of weeds growing. We have a lot of mulch, and every week I would have to go around with the spray with a backpack on, and it took a lot of time out of the weekends or after work. So when we were looking to develop the property and expand it with a little more landscaping, one of the concerns we had was how much more time it was going to take me to go around and maintain the property on a weekly basis, especially during the summer months.
Our preference is to do maintenance for our design build clients. We know the properties, we know where the plant material came from, we know their expectations going into it. We're not coming into a property where we don't know where the wires or the irrigation lines are running.
One of the reasons we chose Earth Turf and Wood was when Jared came out and he laid out the plan. One, he was very creative with what we could do here on the property. But two, from the very beginning, he was looking past the installation part of the project and long-term how we can maintain it.
Our maintenance approach is different from most other landscape companies in that we take care of everything here. We are a one-stop shop. If the customer has an event coming up and they need something spruced up, we'll take care of that. We'll restain pavilions or decks or seal coat driveways. We'll do whatever is necessary to bring their property up to the level of expectation that they have.
The maintenance program with Earth Turf and Wood has been excellent. They're very dependable. They come on a time frame that we develop. Each winter we get together and develop a plan for the upcoming season. And so far it's been wonderful. I've had a lot more time enjoying my property instead of working on my property.
We'll go out and analyze the property and put together a thorough list of everything that the clients are looking for, and make sure that we don't leave anything out, because what we don't want to do throughout the year is go back to them and say, oh, we forgot this or we forgot that.
One of the best things about Earth Turf and Wood is the availability. When you do have any kind of an issue, question, doesn't matter if it's big or small, they get back to you in a timely manner. And they jump on the problem, they don't let it sit. So they know that I want to maintain my property looking at 100% at all times. So when there is an issue, it's corrected right away, and we've got many compliments from all of our guests about how good the landscaping looks.
Hi, my name is Jared Hinson at Earth Turf and Wood. At the end of the day, our main focus is to create a beautiful backyard for our clients and maintain it long term so that they have a worry-free atmosphere.
Earth, Turf, and Wood truly gets who their ideal client is. Their clients want a backyard resort that they can retreat to and relax in. In order to help connect the perfect fit client with the ideal landscape company, we did two very intentional things. First, carefully use words for clear positioning. And secondly, communicate aligned goals. Earth, Turf, and Wood's ideal clients are the kind of people that don't want to come home and work on their properties.
We had a property that had a lot of weeds grown. We have a lot of mulch, and every week I would have to go around with the spray with the backpack on, and it took a lot of time out of the weekend or after work.
Also, Earth, Turf, and Wood recognizes that when they spend all this time developing a relationship and building an amazing project on a client's property, it makes sense to continue that relationship and pick up all of the landscape maintenance work.
Our preference is to do maintenance for our design-build clients. We know the properties, we know where the plant material came from, we know their expectations going into it. We're not coming into a property where we don't know where the wires or the irrigation lines are running.
And that ideal client, they're pretty smart. They know that after this project is built, someone has to take care of it, and it's not going to be them, and they're a little worried. They're worried that other landscape companies might not be up to the task to take care of a project or property of this magnitude. Busy, affluent clients have better things to do with their time. They work hard and they play hard. They can't afford to have a landscape company that basically takes orders. They need a partner that they can trust that takes charge in a proactive way.
The maintenance program with Earth, Turf, and Wood has been excellent. They're very dependable. They come on a time frame that we develop. Each winter we get together and develop a plan for the upcoming season. And so far it's been wonderful. I've had a lot more time enjoying my property instead of working on my property.
And if you're not a proactive landscape company, it's going to mean a lot of awkward, embarrassing conversations later on.
We'll go out and analyze the property and put together a thorough list of everything that the clients are looking for and make sure that we don't leave anything out. Because what we don't want to do throughout the year is go back to them and say, oh, we forgot this or we forgot that.
Their client just wants a landscape company that just takes care of their problems and sends them a bill later. They don't want to spend a bunch of time worrying about it and telling them what to do. Doesn't this sound good to you? Not only can landscaping marketing videos help you to increase revenue in a certain division of your company, but it can help connect the perfect customer with the best company. That's you. If you found this video to be helpful, please make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel as I'll be debuting more videos like this soon. And check the description below for landscaping marketing moves that can help you succeed and help your clients succeed. Thanks a lot. Have a really great day.